have a double-decker ice cream cone. And so I hope you guys can see the texture in there. It's just really cute, and we try to make it like a nice size on the tumbler. So this one right here is made for the 20 ounce, and it scales up based upon the size. This is the Celtic Cross, if you're familiar with Ireland and all that stuff. So look at how detailed this Celtic Cross is. I mean, it is super detailed. It's even got like the elements to the side. I'm holding it super close to the camera, but you can see there. So you can see it's a really great size to go on the cup. So it fits there just wonderfully. It's got the amazing detail like you would expect with the Celtic Cross. And I think it's like a nice size. Is a 4-leaf clover. So this is just a 4-leaf clover. I mean, it is what it is. It's got the nice rounded edges, so it's got those details. This one's for a 20 ounce. So it just fits right there. It's like enough to make a statement, but not too much to take over the entire cup. So here are the little, I'm not gonna say mini charms because I have mini charms. So these are the littler tumbler charms. So it's a 6-pack of these, and these are the rounded ones that are already pre-curved for the tumbler, okay? But then for those of you who like the flat mini tumbler charms, we also have an option for that. So how many are in this one, Nick? So there's 7 in this one, and these are the tumbler charms. So you heat these up with a heat gun, and then you can bend them to your tumbler however you'd like. So this is a pack of 7 of them, like Nick said, luckily number 7, but each shamrock is different. So there's no two, it just gives you a bunch of options, and you can decorate it every which way. So this is the mini tumbler charms. And so again, each one of them is different, and you can kind of see what your options are. So these, you just heat them up with hot water or a heat gun, you mold them to your tumbler, and then you decorate them and then attach them. We have our little 4-leaf clover straw topper. So this is a really cute one. We wanted to make sure to have the stem on it. Yeah, Amy. So this is the straw topper that goes with all of the other tumbler charms. So you can see that they all kind of have the St. Patrick's Day, but they're not too matchy-matchy because I never like that. But they definitely all go. This is just a fleur-de-lis for Mardi Gras or just the Saints, whatever you want to do. But it's just a really nice size on a tumbler. So this is a fatty, this is printed for a smaller cup. I think it's a 30, but it's just a really nice size. Easy to decorate, and it's just super, super cute. So I really like how this one turned out as well. So I know you guys saw the other gnomies that we have, but this is the Easter gnome. He's got bunny slippers right there. He's holding an Easter egg, and he's got his bunny ears. So this is the Easter bunny. So he's got all kinds of Easter eggs. He's got a cute little face, and he fits wonderfully on a mug, like on a cup. So this is a 30-ounce fatty, so it's a really big one. But look at the little Easter bunny, and he's not too big, so we didn't want to make him like huge, but he just adds enough dimension. So this is great for like grandkids or your kids or just people who love the Easter bunny. But I thought that he is super cute. Yeah, he's not thick at all. He's pretty thin. This is the 4-leaf clover handle, or half of it. So it fits on the cup like this. We'll scale it down so that there's smaller sizes, but look at how cute that is. Oops. And it fits really well in your hand. It just works just like this. And then you just super glue it on, or you can use like liquid fusion, and then you want to do at least 2 coats of epoxy over it. But this is the handle for the 4-leaf clover. And this is a big one. I want to say this is a 30-ounce fatty. So it fits just like that. We're gonna have to make a smaller version for the smaller cups, but I'm gonna work on this one then tonight and then go from there.